of positive fractional numbers. Fractional numbers. Examples. Find the cube of 2 divided by 3, that is 2 over 3. I want to find the cube of this. Solution. Now, to find the cube of this, it means we have 2 divided by 3 raised to the power of 3. Now, this 3 we have here, we affect both the numerator and the denominator. Now, what are we going to have? We are going to have 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by what? 3 raised to the power of 3. Numerator raised to the power of 3, then the denominator raised to the power of 3. Then what are we going to have? 2 raised to the power of 3. It means that we are going to have 2 times 2 times 2. Then 3 raised to the power 3. What are we going to have? We are going to have 3 times 3 times 3. Now, we multiply for the numerator. 2 times 2, what do we have? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, what do we have? 8. Now, for the denominator, what do we have? 3 times 3. That is 9. 9 times 3, what do we have? 27. So the answer is 8 over 27. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.